This tab computes a TypeA universal life account value for 3 years. Cost of insurance depends on the ending account value, so the sheet uses the rearranged non-circular identities. Compute the fixed face Face 100,000, credited 4%, same rate for the cost of insurance discount. Premium 2,000. Corridor factors 1.50, 1.46, 1.42. Mortality is 120% of SULT Q40, Q41, Q42. Surrender charges 1,500, then 0. Year 1 expense is 150 plus 25% of premium, 650. Q star is 1.2 times 0.000527, which is 0.006324. VQ is 1 over 1.04, 0.9615. Times face times Q star is the 60.81 cost of insurance piece that sits in H24. Fixed face numerator is opening AV plus premium minus expense minus the COI piece, grown at 4%, 1,340.76. Divide by 1 minus Q star VQ times 1.04. AVF is 1,341.61. Corridor numerator skips the CI piece and is 1,404. The denominator uses gamma minus 1, here 1/2. AVC is 1,403.56, larger than AVF. TypeA takes the minimum, so the corridor does not bind in year 1. Cash surrender value is 341.61 after the 1,000 charge. C25, next year's opening AV, is the min, 1,341.61. Year 2 expense drops to 3% of premium, 60. AVF is 3,347.34, still below corridor. CSV after the 500 charge is 2,847. Year 3 AVF is 5,429.84. Surrender charge is 0, so CSV equals the account value. Corridor sits just above fixed face every year, so the min is always AVF. On exam day, do not iterate. Type both quotient forms, take min, then max of 0 and AV minus the surrender charge. Next opening AV is that min, cell O rolled forward.